Hello everyone, let me introduce myself, Ashifananda Fadilah, a student at the Technocrat University, Faculty of Economics and Business, from Management Class 23C. Here I will explain business ethics, moral values and ethical standards. Business ethics is a norm that is applied as a basis or foundation in all business processes, paying attention to norms and morality that apply universally. The following are several definitions and aspects of business ethics. 1. Understanding business ethics. Business ethics are rules that serve as guidelines or foundations for running a company, especially in decision-making. This ethics is closely related to morals and is related to actions or behavior carried out with full awareness based on mature considerations. 2. Aspects of business ethics. Norms and morality. Business ethics pays attention to norms and morality that apply universally. This includes principles such as autonomy, honesty, fairness, mutual benefit, and moral integrity. 3. Benefits of business ethics. Self-identity development, forming the company's identity which will later have a big impact on the company. Self-control. Self-control for all parties who are part of the company, increasing the smoothness of business with a sense of mutual respect. Mutual trust, creating a healthy business atmosphere with mutual trust between individuals. Healthy competitive atmosphere, fighting the risk of business competition well and maintaining comfort in doing business. 4. Examples and implementation of business ethics. Honest and trustworthy, informing product defects honestly and not covering them up. Not badmouthing other traders, saying what goods or services are without badmouthing other traders. Be fair and do not differentiate between buyers for any reason. Keeping promises and not cheating, maintaining honesty in transactions and not committing fraud. Serve customers with humility, interact well with customers and partners. Thus, business ethics becomes important in running a company, building fair and healthy relationships with customers, work partners and the community, as well as increasing company success and trust. Understanding morals and ethics. The terms morals and ethics are often considered the same, so the use of the terms morals and ethics are often confused. In fact, these two terms have different meanings. Morals and ethics are terms that are commonly used as guidelines followed by a person or group in living their lives, so that society can live well and orderly. The relationship between these two terms makes many people think that morals and ethics are the same terms and have the same meaning. However, morals and ethics have several fundamental differences. So that you don't use the terms morals and ethics incorrectly again, understand the following definitions of morals and ethics, complete with their differences. Linguistically, the word ethics comes from the Greek word ethos, which means the appearance of a habit. In this case, the object perspective is human attitudes, actions and actions. The definition of ethics specifically is the science of the attitudes and decency of an individual in a social environment that is stick with rules and principles related to behavior that is considered correct. Meanwhile, ethics can generally be interpreted as norms, rules or procedures that are usually used as a guideline for an individual's principles in carrying out actions or behavior. The application of this norm is closely related to the good and bad characteristic of an individual in society. In this way, ethics can be interpreted as a science that explains the good and bad and the obligations, responsibilities and rights, both socially and morally, of each individual in social life. Ethics can also be defined as values related to individua.